Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see what does Quickset app on your Android mean and how can you fix your error of Quickset which keeps stopping. So if the question is, what is Quickstep? It is an Android system app that controls gestures, recent tabs, and the home screen on many Android phones. If Quickstep crashes, you may see the message as Quickstep keeps stopping and experience problems navigating your device. To solve this, you can follow up these fixes. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Tap restart. Wait for the phone to reboot. Check if the error message is gone. Fix 2. Clear Quick Step Cache. Open settings, tap apps or apps and notifications. Tap see all apps. Find and select Quick Step on or your phone's launcher app. Tap storage and cache. Tap clear cache and restart your phone. Fix 3. Update your Android. Open settings, tap system, tap on software update or system update, install any available updates, restart your phone. Fix 4. Update apps. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, select manage apps and device, tap update all. Restart your phone after the updates finish. Fix 5. Change the default launcher. Open settings, tap apps and then select default apps. From there, tap Home app or Launcher app. Choose another launcher if one is installed. Check if the issue is resolved, or you can follow the next fix. Fix 6. Reset your app preferences. Open Settings, tap on Apps. Tap the three-dot menu, select Reset App Preferences. Confirm the reset and restart your phone. Fix 7. Factory reset. This is the last resort. Back up your important data as you may not be able to recover it. Open Settings, tap System, select Reset Options, and tap Erase All Data for factory reset. Follow the on screen instructions to complete the reset. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.